Welcome to the Funeral Program site, home of the largest selection of DIY templates, printed memorials, and personalized in loving memory keepsake products. In this video, we will share how to make a funeral thank you card. Before we get started, please take a moment to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Doing so enables us to continue making valuable content to equip you during a time of loss. Funeral thank you cards can be used for an expression of thanks and gratitude. They are typically sent after the funeral or memorial service to those who have provided support and have been particularly helpful during a time of loss. You can use a thank you card to send your word of gratitude by writing a personal note. Everyone always appreciates receiving a note of thanks, even in this day and age of digital technology. It's a simple gesture, but one that is always appreciated by the receiver. There is no set deadline when it comes to sending out thank you cards, though getting them out within 2 to 3 weeks after the funeral is ideal. Even if it takes some time for you to feel ready to tackle the task of writing thank you notes, it is never too late to send them out. To make a funeral thank you card, you can either create it from scratch, use a thank you card template, or use a store-bought card. Although making it from scratch is the more cost-effective option, there is more setup work involved prior to writing out your card. If you do not want to continue purchasing generic thank you cards from the store, you can utilize a thank you card template. A template is ideal since you are able to use it and print it on demand, or print as many cards as you need. Creating a thank you card from scratch may be labor-intensive, time-consuming, and complicated. Utilizing a thank you card template will bypass the necessary setup steps and is your best option. The Funeral Program site offers ready-made thank you card templates, available for immediate download. We've taken care of the technical setup and background design, so all you need to do is begin entering your text. Visit our online superstore to see our entire collection of DIY templates for funeral thank you cards, as well as other styles, only available at thefuneralprogramsite.com.